Hey guys and dolls, welcome back to the makeup community. If you're new here, my name's Chris. Welcome. I am super excited. Urban Decay came out with some new stuff and everybody knows I love Urban Decay. So I'm going to try some of these out for the first time with you. Now, if you're new here, you're going to notice in my voice and in my hands that I have tremors, and that's how everything started. I wanted to show that you don't have to give up what you love just because you have some challenges, and I also wanted to show that makeup is for everybody. I personally get some confidence when I feel like I'm looking my best to go out and face the day. So if you guys know anybody who loves makeup, makeup pros, makeup junkies, people new to makeup, please invite them here so we can create a wonderful, positive place to just talk about all things makeup. So I am brand new, so I'm not sponsored. I don't get donations. I don't get PR. So I had to kind of pick and choose what I was going to get. There are two new eyeshadow palettes. One is the Elements palette, which is what I picked. And then the other is the Naked Cherry. Eventually I will probably get the Naked Cherry. But from the Naked Cherry line, I picked one out of the 3 lipsticks. And I also picked the All-Nighter Spray with cherry scent. So we'll see if it smells like cough syrup or if it smells pretty good. So I'm going to start with the lipstick available wherever Urban Decay is sold, and it retails for $18. And I picked Juicy, and it is a metallic peach with some, it's supposed to have raspberry sparkle in it. I'm not really seeing that, micro glitters, but let's put this on. I definitely see the sparkle. That is pretty. I do like it. I like it a lot. This is probably my 50th. No, I'm kidding. But yeah, I do have a lot of Urban Decay lipsticks. I love the formula. Every single one I've gotten from them, whether they are sheer metallic like this one, a cream, a matte, they are all wonderful. They give you long wear. They last quite a long time, and you get your money's worth because they're just wonderful, wonderful lipsticks. So next, since we're doing the cherry, let's try out the All-Nighter Spray. I love the All-Nighter Spray. It is one of my favorites. And I'm not sure if it comes in a full size. The only thing that I saw was the travel size. So let's get this going. There we go. Right. It does smell good. It doesn't smell like cough syrup. I was afraid I'd be, putting something that smells like NyQuil on my face. But it smells pretty good. I like it. So check those out. Now for the big one. I got my hair all pulled back, ready to finish up my makeup, is the Urban Decay Elements palette. You get 19 shades total. Let's pop this puppy open. You got a big size mirror there, and look at that. So let's see what Ulta has to say about it. It retails at Ulta for $52, available wherever Urban Decay is sold. One thing that I did notice, QVC.com has it retailing for $56 instead of $52. I'm not sure why. Just noticed that. So let's see what they say. Urban Decay's unbelievably gorgeous Elements eyeshadow palette spans space and time with 19 mystical, never-before-seen shades in a celestial, ultra-sleek compact. Inspired by the elements, air, earth, fire, and water, a constellation of unique colors orbit around Luna, an ultra-iridescent transformer shade. The 19 new multi-dimensional pigments include bright mattes, holographic shimmers, and molten metallics. Urban Decay predicts you'll love Fortune Teller, a metallic magenta with green 3D sparkle and shift. And Hex Remedy is an iridescent purple that really raises your vibrations. With gilded details and a crystal-like case, this orb-inspired compact is your key to the next dimension. Slip it into your purse or gift it to a fellow mystic. Elements is the perfect palette to summon your inner goddess. Since you deserve serious staying powder and shadow that doesn't flake or fade out on you, every shade in the Elements eyeshadow palette is made from their mind-blowing formula that gives each shade its velvety texture, blendability, and rich color that lasts. Urban Decay is 100% cruelty-free. Urban Decay is beauty with an edge. So this is what the unicarton looks like. And our palette. Let's dig into this. These look so pretty. Oh my gosh. You can make a ton of looks out of this, especially with that transformer shade in the center. Oh, I am super excited. They have the names printed on here, but they're really tiny. So I'm going to do 8 shades at a time, and I will start with the outside with the bright blue that is called Heavy Water and work my way in. So there's Heavy Water. Oh my gosh, so beautiful. Then we have Sapphire Dream. I love Urban Decay eyeshadows. Oh my gosh, that is beautiful. Then I'm reading off the unicarton, sorry. Then we have Electric Air. Oh, look at that. And next, Antidote. It's a nice matte peach. It's the first matte I've come across. The rest have been metallic. Then we are going to go into Secret Keeper. Look at that, metallic green. Earthbound. Oh. Elemental. It's another matte. And let's round this one out with Volcanic. Oh, that's a beautiful copper. I am loving these so far. And everybody knows I love Urban Decay eyeshadows because they stay, they're blendable, they're silky. The colors are just stunning. Okay, let's move on. Lioness, which I am a Leo, so that is kind of perfect. We've got Fire Starter. That is a matte kind of cranberry. And then for a bright pink, Dream Weaver. This is also a matte. After Dreamweaver, we're back into the Shimmers Metallics. Ego. And this will round out the outer rim. Now we're going to go into the inner circle. And I'm going to start with this beautiful purple shade, which is Hex Remedy. Oh, look at that. Metallic grape. After that, we have Fortune Teller. Oh my gosh, this is beautiful. That has got a metallic shift. That is gorgeous. And then Silver Burn. It's another metallic. There's so many metallics in this. I'm just pointing out the mattes, really. Love those. And the next one looks like a beautiful gold that we'll start out with. Sorry, I just do not have enough arm space for all of it at once. So this beautiful gold is called Fool's Gold. Oh, that's got kind of a green shift to it. That is beautiful. Then we are going to get Moon Rock. This looks like a gorgeous copper. Oh, and it is. Love it. Now metallic brown is next. We have Tectonic. Love it. So that does it for the inner and rim, and then we're going to go into Luna, which is a transformer shade, which I'm probably going to use it as a highlight too, quite honestly. I love these. I love these so much. Let's get started and play with these, see how they do, which I could tell you right now, they're Urban Decay. They would really have to change up their game a lot to make me not like their, well, change down their game, I guess, for me to not like their eyeshadows. They are so soft, so blendable. I am not sponsored. I don't get PR. I don't get anything like that. This is just my honest opinion. So I am going to go into Antidote, that matte peach color. We're going to go into that, and I'm going to put that all over my lid. I am getting some kick up in the pan, but not too bad. Ooh, my primer creased. Guess I let it sit too long. Okay, let's do this again. Oh my gosh, even this light matte is super pigmented. I'm going to bring that almost all the way up, but not quite all the way up to my brow. I want to play with so much in this, but it's fall. So let's create a really pretty fall look. I want to play with some of these coppers and golds. Loving it. Okay, let's go with the transition shade. I'm going to go into this other peachy matte color, Elemental, just to kind of deepen the crease and bring that up just a little bit. I've got some kick up in that too. That's pretty. Just deepens up the crease just a little bit. Let's put that on the outer third also. I'm loving this. Wow, I could do a real natural look with this if I wanted to. Just with those shades, and maybe add a little matte ivory. Something like Max Brulee. That is very pretty. Okay, I'm going to use just the same angle brush, and shall we go into one of the coppers? Let's go into the lighter copper. That one is light copper. I don't know. Elemental, I just did. So this is a volcanic. We're going to go into volcanic. And I am going to put that all over my lid up to the crease. Oh, yes, I love this. This is already getting an A+. Let's put a little shimmer on there. I'm in love. I'm in love. I'm going to go into the darker copper with a little blending brush and go into Moon Rock, which is the darker copper shade. And I'm going to bring that into the crease in the outer corner just to give a little more depth. I'm keeping it pretty light and just shimmery today. Make sure I'm blended really well. I don't ever want to see a line, a definite line. Keep this kind of, there we go. I am going to take this Fool's Gold, the gold color, and I'm going to put it into the center of my lid, just the center. Just to give a little pop. That's very pretty. Just a little bit of pop. I love that. All right, I'm going to take a pencil brush and I'm going to go into the Transformer shade Luna, the one in the center. And I'm going to put that underneath my arch, just to give a little brightness there. Little highlight. And looking at all the other colors in here, I gotta say this is pretty boring look compared to what I could do, but I just wanted to do something simple and pretty. I'm going to go back into Volcanic, which is the lighter copper color, and I am going to put it on a flat brush and just bring it along my lower lash line. That is very pretty. Okay, let's put on some mascara and we are done. I've been using this pretty much since I reviewed it, the NARS Climax mascara. I have been loving this, and it gets better with each use. The older it gets, the better it gets. I'm not going to put a lot on it, just kind of want a light. There we go, just to finish my look. There we go. Got a little on my nose. Get that off. And we are done. Oh my gosh, so I thumbs up on all of them. I already know that I love the all-nighter. It does not smell like NyQuil, so that's good. $15, available wherever Urban Decay is sold. I am loving this juicy lipstick so far. It looks very pretty, very neutral. There are 2 other lipsticks available, so check them out. $18. And for $52, the Elements palette. Oh my gosh, you could make so many looks with this. I probably made the most boring look. But it's fall, just wanted a little wash of color there with some fall colors. But oh my gosh, you could make a ton of looks out of this. I'm very happy with this. Of course, I knew that this would all be positive because it's Urban Decay and I love Urban Decay. So I'm going to go fix my hair and get on with my day. I hope all of you guys have an absolutely wonderful day. Please subscribe to the channel and spread the word so we can grow the makeup community and make it a really fun, positive place where everybody can talk about makeup. So I will talk to you guys down in the comment section, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.